already. He's pissed. Oh, okay, he's mad now. Wait till he falls back again, we'll do it again.
He's hiding in the corner now.
I'll do it to Emma. Oh my God.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
That's so mean. Look, now he's not gonna lean back. Wait.
No.
Okay, go to bed.
Let me get this kitty. Yes. Nighty night.
Wait till she goes bed, I got a bigger piece.
Don't make it thinner so it fits in their nose.
I'm not gonna... Like this.
Yeah, like that. That's perfect.
We have to wait.
Oh.
She's pissed. Stop!
Oh my God, what?
I did. You laughed first. None of the cats are facing this way. Okay, don't laugh. It went in her nose. She doesn't know it's there. Is her eyes closed yet?
No, they're still open.
That's so mean.
Okay, we'll do it again. It's hiding its face in the corner.
Yeah, what about this one?
But this one needs to wake up.
Sleep like this. I don't mind. Here, sleep with Emma.